Welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to another vlog, you guys. So today I'm coming to you from the car and I am heading into the city. I'm headed to Atlanta. I'm about to go to the Cheesecake Factory for my friend Serena's birthday. Serena, I know you're watching this. Happy birthday, boo! It's time for a turn up, okay? I'm excited. This is my first outing. I mean, since everything that's going on, I have not been out and about. I have not been out to eat with my friends. I've been out, you know, to grab food for lunch with my mom or whatever while we're working, but I have not been out to celebrate. And it's so crazy because I told Serena that this was like a full circle moment because I actually went to Cheesecake Factory with my family and Devin for my birthday this year. And that was back in March, right when the pandemic was actually starting. So I was like, girl, this is so crazy because that's exactly where I went. So I'm going back to the same place, same location and everything. And we're going to celebrate her birthday tonight. So I'm excited. I have my mask. I plan on wearing it. I don't know who she invited, but I'm excited to just be out of the house. I didn't know if I was going to finish working on time today because I had to film the podcast today because today's Friday. Had to film the podcast and I had to get another video up too, so it was just a lot going on today, but we rocked it out. So I'm excited. Make sure you go check out the new podcast episode, and I can't wait to get to Cheesecake Factory because I'm hungry and the food is really good there. So I thought that I was going to plan ahead about what I was going to eat, but I completely forgot to figure that out. So I don't know what I'm going to get, but I'm going to find out when I get there. I just wanted to start this vlog because I was rushing and threw an outfit together real quick, nothing crazy, and hopped in the car because it starts at 6:30. It's like 6:10 right now, and I'm like 20 minutes away. So I'm supposed to get there right on time. I thought there was about to be traffic right here, but there's not, so praise God. I also just filmed her little happy birthday video because her best friend hit me up and was like, let's do a birthday video. We're gonna, you know, surprise Serena. So Serena, we got you, girl. By the time you see this, you already seen that video too because your birthday done been passed by the time you seen this. So, you know I had to get in on that too. But anyway, y'all, I'm gonna see y'all when I get there. Like I said, I'm about 20 minutes away. So I'm just gonna take my time to get there because people on the road is crazy. So I'm not in no rush to go nowhere. But yeah, good food, hopefully good drinks. I'm trying to remember what drink I had when I was there for my birthday. I vlogged all of this, so if y'all saw my birthday videos this year, y'all definitely saw us at Cheesecake Factory. I know I had a fruity drink. I like the fruity ones. I don't know. I'll probably have one drink with them and eat some good food because I gotta drive 30 minutes back home, so I'm not gonna be turning up too hard, but I definitely am happy that I'm able to go and celebrate. Oh shoot, oh shoot, look at her, stop playing with her. You better stop playing with her. They about to walk in my shot, that's okay. Ooh, happy birthday. Thank you. Better slay. Hi. You know we gotta get the pictures. Period. Serena and her best friend, Jasmine. I'm screaming. Cheesecake Factory. It looks like fall out here, y'all, for real. I have not been outside in so long. Oh my God.
Kori with the flag.
Because we can't even see your food, sis. Oh, this looks fun.
Yeah. Come over there.
Okay, okay, come over there. Here you go.
Okay, move on now.
Moving.
Yeah.
Anything you need.
Okay, that's it. That's it.
It looked good on camera. Cheeseburgers, spring rolls. I hope it tastes good.
Can't oversee my
Lettuce wrap. Ooh, wow. Oh, dip it in the sauce.
It's getting nasty over here. PG-13. Just thankful to be here. Sure, let's go. Who's playing that? Yeah.
Yay.
1, 2, 3.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear make a wish. It was a long wish too. She said, "Hold up, I gotta get this right." Okay, Sunday, girl. Where's the
What is that, caramel? Triple layer Sunday with sprinkles.
video?
Hi, how are you?
Did y'all see the whole? Oh, she's oh my gosh! Hello, it's me. We're in Kroger, and I am hosting a small wine tasting today. So if you can't tell, my cart is full of wine. We have crackers and meats and hummus and cheese and all kind of things in here. It's gonna be real fun, I think, you know? And I wanted to vlog it because I'm gonna try to set up something real nice, real cute. Buckled in and safe. Am I extra for that? I don't want it to go around nowhere. So, y'all, it's like hot but cold at the same time. Oh gosh, let me take this off. Hand sandy? Oh, I got some. Stay safe, kids, okay? Get suckered hand sanitizer always in my purse, period. So, home now. All the groceries and things. Devin bought this for me for Christmas last year. How crazy. Wow. I'm just now opening it and putting it in my new apartment. It's fine. We got Panda Express for lunch. I'm about to start cooking and setting up all this stuff. So, stay tuned. I'm making spaghetti. Devin is editing the podcast. Period. Yeah, and I'm still eating. So I'm multitasking. I'm about to take my boards out so I can set this stuff up. Hello. Devin's here. Amelia is here. And look at this. Ooh wee. I might have did something. It's so cute. It took forever, but good things take time. Period. Drew's here now. We're going in for the first bottle here. Devin picked out this bottle, so we're gonna open this one. It's the strongest one. Lord have mercy. And we're gonna dig in. We have a lot of things on the menu tonight. All right. Everyone's on the way out. Not Devin. Yes, and look at this. Heels and everything. What? Y'all, it is 11:59 p.m. Everyone has left and the podcast is literally about to go up right now. The audio is up. By the time you're watching this, audio and visual will be up. So make sure you go ahead and check it out. But we are tired. It was so much fun to see my friends. Right, Devin?
Yes.
I'm screaming. We're exhausted, so we're gonna go to sleep. I think that's gonna be the end of this video. Thank you guys so much for watching. I love you guys so much. Make sure you give it a thumbs up. Make sure you subscribe down below, and I will see you guys in my next video.